going to change the shift knob today. Are we going to go OEM? Or are we going to go with the Ford Racing one? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe down below. So remember, if you subscribe to the channel, you will be able to partake in the gift giveaways that we have going on the channel. So here we go with today's video. Hey guys, so today I'm changing out the shift knob. Now, it's nice and all, but I just don't really care for it. So I'm going to be taking this off, and then I'm going to be posting it up on Facebook Marketplace for sale, and whoever is interested will be able to buy it. All right, so start with the shift knob. All right. This is much bigger than OEM threading, too, to note. That's the thread pattern. Okay, put that there. Next, we are gonna pop this off. It is also about 30 degrees in my garage, so it is fantastically cold. So that means nothing wants to work with me. Okay, and here would be the shifter. So I'm gonna pop it in to that position of second. These bolts are 13 millimeter, so let's see, that's tight. So let's go the other way. Oh boy, it's a little tight. It's a little snug, but we're gonna, there we go. Okay, so after some figuring out righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, how to get this in the right mode. So this is one of those reversible ones. Got it at Home Depot because I could. We're going to take a quick jump to this being off. Welcome back, and we got the first one off, so now we're going to do the second one. Bear with me while I need two hands to kind of do this, but I'm going to make it do with one. Yeah! Alright, stay tuned another, second or so that this gets taken off, that we're going to be putting on one of two. Okay, so old shifter and ball are off, and we're actually going to go with the Ford Racing one because it's just one piece and it just looks so much better. So we're going to pop this on right now. I'm going to transfer over the washer. I already did one, so we're going to transfer the other, and then we're going to righty-tighty it up. All right, so took a little bit of work because I wanted to make sure I had the washer for the top one because there's two of them. 13 millimeter. There it is. Anyway, so almost done with this. Gonna pop it back all together and we'll see how the end look is. There we go, that's done. Pop this guy off. Pop the shift boot back on because it's not going to matter anyway. And pop the shift knob on. And there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. Nice. I actually like this much better. Much better. But that's just me. So, going to be posting this guy up for sale. And it could be anybody's, doesn't matter. But primarily it would be best if you have a 6060. And probably a GT500 owner. Shifting feels much better. Definitely much better. Hey guys, so changed the shifter. It's just much more enjoyable shifting now, and not like holding on to a big like meat thing. So, and having that shifter taken out is a lot less that I have to hear from people because it's not a GT500. Yeah, well, on the exterior it's not, but now it really won't matter. So now nobody will really pay mind to the Shelby that was on the shifter, and now they'll just see it's a plain white shift knob with Ford Racing on it, so they'll think it's a Hurst. Ooh, not that I really like Hurst anyway. So that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. We'll see you later. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.